So in the box, you will find the CT2 unit itself, the charging clip, along with a free lanyard, as well as a quick tip. Alright, getting started, remember to remove the film sticker on top of the screen. And to turn your unit on, press and hold down the power button on the bottom left side for 2 seconds. Once it's powered on, it will be in time mode, but to get to golf mode, hold down the upper left button for 2 seconds. Golf mode will be the first icon, so press the upper left button, OK again. And then we're going to wait for it to connect to satellites. After you go to the tee box, you'll see the numbers are enhanced, larger for easier readability. And if you don't want the center, front, and back, you can also hold down these 2 buttons and it'll show you just the center. And to go back, just press them again for 2 seconds. In golf mode, to look at different screens, press the upper left button. And the first screen will show you the center, front, and back with dynamic green view. Press it again, and it'll show you the time and date. You press it again, and it shows you your GPS tracking, which is automatically turned on when you are in golf mode. Okay. In golf mode, to view hazards, press the lower right button. And to keep on scrolling through your hazards, continue pressing the lower right button. To return back to your main golf screen, press the upper right button. To manually change holes, press the upper left button for 2 seconds. And then it will be the first icon, so you press the upper left button, OK again. Use the bottom right button to change to which hole you want. And once you have the hole, select the upper left button, OK again. To change from yards to meters, hold down the upper left button for 2 seconds. Press the bottom right button once, and press the upper left button one more time. To change from Y to M, yards to meters, you can press the lower right button until you get to what you want, and then you press the upper left button, OK again. To switch back to a previous hole, press and hold down the upper left button for 2 seconds. Press the lower right button twice, and press OK on the upper left again. Press OK to switch back to your previous hole. When it switches it back for you, you'll return to the main menu. To change your pin placement, hold down the upper left button for 2 seconds. Press the lower right button 3 times. And press the upper left button OK again. Using the buttons on the right side, you can go up and down and change your pin placement. Once you have the pin you want, press the upper left button OK again. For shot distance measurement, hold down the upper right button for 2 seconds. And it'll show you a number to the center of the green and a blank screen at the bottom, and then you can start walking or driving to your ball. After 15 seconds, it will default back to the play golf screen, but to stop your shot distance measurement and see how far you hit, you press down the upper right button once more. And it'll show you that you walked 25 yards and your hit was 25 yards. And if you want to reset for another shot, you just press and hold down the upper right button for 2 seconds again. And it'll reset back to 0. To record your score, hold down the lower right button for 2 seconds and use the lower right button to navigate to which hole you want. To choose the hole, press the upper left button OK and use the buttons on the right to enter your score. After you have the score you want, press the upper left button OK again, and to get back to play golf mode, hold down the lower right button for 2 seconds. To end your round of golf, press and hold down the upper left button. Press the lower right button 4 times. Press the upper left button OK again, and then use the lower left button to go to yes, and then press the upper left button, okay. And you're back in time mode. To hook the CT2 onto the lanyard, take one end of the lanyard and put it through this top hole in the CT2. Once you have it through, pull the rest of the lanyard through and pull it tight. So Peter, our VP, is modeling for us today. So you could put the lanyard on your belt or your belt loop. Or it can also go in your pocket. You could also hook the CT2 onto your golf bag using the towel ring. Stick it through the towel ring and pull the whole CT2 through. And then after you look at it, and you can also put it into the side pocket. There's also a magnetic belt clip that you can hook the CT2 on. So you insert the back of the clip into the belt clip, and then you could put one side of the belt clip onto your pants or your belt, and you can lift it up to view your yardages.